YouTube and welcome back to Diva Styles. You guys, I just got the rest of my order today and I was so excited. I wanted to share with you guys my DIY like earring haul. Y'all, I wasn't even about to get all done up, not to come on camera, not today. I wasn't going to do it, but I was so excited to come on here and share with you guys what I got. Everything is going to be in the description box if you want to go and purchase it for yourself. Okay, so you guys know that I've been getting into like sublimation earrings like really heavy, and I started working back into the school system this past January. So that's what I've been doing. But y'all, let me tell you, them sublimation earrings has been a hit. Like I probably sold about 50 pair of earrings just in the school system alone, and that was really like towards the end of the school year. Once people figured out I make my own earrings. So let me show you what all I got. So these right here are just the smaller ones. Now I did purchase the bigger size as well, but these are just the smaller circle size. Let me open it. Okay, so this is what they look like. This is how big they are. Not very big at all. As you can see, they are like small, not big. And it does come with like the earring hooks, and this one came with like earring cards. It also has like baggies for you to put the earrings in once you're all done. I also wanted to experiment with a different shape, so I also got these. As you can see, these ones are like longer, and when you sublimate on them, you can sublimate on the front and the back, and it comes out shiny and glossy, which I just love. And these also come with the earring cards and the bags as well. Y'all, so excited to use those right there, like excited. And then these of course are for like myself and a few of the others that love the bigger size earrings. Now these are 2 inches. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Okay, this is what these look like. Now these do not come with earring cards, nor do they come with earring hooks or anything like that, because these are actually, you can't find the 2-inch ones unless you type in keychains. But of course I just like big earrings, so it is what it is. So you could also use these for keychains, but me myself, they earrings. If you ask me, they're earrings. You guys know I got a hot fix tool, and that is what I use to apply like rhinestones and bling. And so I went and also purchased like all of the colors, because when I was moving, of course, my little containers like this, they spilled and it was just everywhere. And I'm like, no way I'm going to sit and put these things back in its rightful place. Like, I'm just not. So I think this was like $8.99 for all of the colors. Like, you get iridescent, you get plain silver, and I think the color ones is up here. So I was like, that's not bad. Plus you get, you know, like a couple little tools. Not bad. Not bad. You guys know I love working with Shrinky Dink paper. Love it, love it, love it. So I had to buy some more of these, because I would also like to use this to make, like the little stud earrings, you know, different shapes, things like that. And this would be perfect for me to use, and very I'm not gonna say it's inexpensive, because that paper that paper will get costly, okay? But that's just the way I'm gonna do it. Also, sublimation earrings, you need sublimation paper. So it was time for me to buy some more, so bought some more sub paper. Bought some glue. Have I used this glue before? I don't think I have, but I'm going to try it out. And this is going to be what I'm going to use for my little stud earrings, you know, gluing the backs of them on. This is what I'm about to try to use. Don't know how that goes. If you have tried that glue, let me know down in the comments like how it works for you. Wire, and I don't know if you can tell, but it comes with like 3 gold, 3 silvers, 3 coppers, and they are all 3 different sizes. So it goes from like, I think 20, 22, and 24, I believe. So yeah, I thought that was really important. If you're doing jewelry, you definitely need some wire. Bought me some round nose pliers because you need this for making your little loops in your wire. Very important. And I bought these because I also do like to do like the crochet earrings, and I think that this shape, these are just some wood, but I think that this shape would be so cute to like crochet some earrings off of the end of it. I think that would be beautiful. And this actually came with something. I'm not sure what it came with, but it came with something. I don't know what it was. What is this? Oh, I bought like some little charms. These are just like little inspirational charms. You know, blessed, enough, dream, inspire, things like that. Now these I actually got because I think these would be so beautiful on like some lock charms, you know, have a little inspirational word hanging down. I think that would be nice for that. So that's actually why I bought these. Didn't really get these for earring purposes, but could use it for that. Okay, these are some charms as well. These are like some little clock charms. Now, mind you, each one does have a pair. Like this is like a little, hold on, wait, let me put them down. Okay, let's put them down, let's see. Like, I think these would be cute, like even as just the earring sets, like little clocks. So that's actually why I got them, because as soon as I seen them, I was like, oh yeah, those are earrings, and those would be nice. I mean, they could be charms, but I see everything as earrings. And then these are so much bigger than I thought they was going to be. Okay, like these are huge. When I got these, I did not know these were going to be this big. But these is like, you can use these as like accessories or your earrings, or you can also use these to crochet on as well. It would be cute for that. But y'all, this is 80 pieces. Y'all, these are huge. And I think this comes with like two or 3, maybe 4, maybe even 4. It might come with 2 to 4 different sizes, like from small to like really big. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, and I also bought some more of these like little earring hooks, because of course you're doing jewelry, guess what, you need some of these. Can't do earrings without it. So that is my little earring haul for right now, because I really do want to get, I guess, like serious about my craft, about what I'm doing. Like I want to go all in. I just want to be all in what I'm doing. But in doing so, I also need to make sure I got everything that I need. So, oh, I did get one more thing, y'all. One more thing that I'm so excited about. I got me an earring display. It's right here. It's not open. I should probably open this thing. And this was, I think it was like 22 bucks. So not bad. Not bad at all. Let me open it. Alright, y'all. Already looking at this, I feel defeated. Do you hear me? Oh, OMG. These is the, look at this. Okay, these are the instructions. I can't even. This is what it's looking like. Good times, right? So fun. It just, of course, wouldn't be already put together. This is like 4. The freak are these? Mind you, it just, oh, and it does look like it rotates. It looks like it rotates. Oh my gosh, okay, already this is worth the 22 bucks. Like, I'm here for it. Now, if only somebody can put this together. Who's gonna put it together? Somebody can put it together. Alright, y'all, so this is what it's looking like. Look at it. That's a pretty decent size. And I can get like 2 earrings on each one. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 12 on each side. And y'all, it rotates. Can't beat that. Not for 22 bucks. Like I said, and the link to all this is going to be down in the description box. So if you have any questions about anything at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon because I want to get started making some earrings. Bye.